Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to stop AI overviews from appearing in Google Chrome. This method changes your default search to Google Web, which can prevent AI overviews from appearing in your search results. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings. From the left side, click on Search Engine. Now click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down to Site Search and click Add. For the name, type Google Web. For the shortcut, type it Web. In the URL field, paste the Google Web Search URL that is shown on the screen or provided in the video description. Now click Add. Next, find Google Web in the list. Click on the three dots next to it. Then select Make Default. Now open a new tab and search from the address bar as usual. Your searches will now use Google Web, which can prevent AI overviews from appearing in many search results. So this is how you can stop AI overviews from appearing in Google Chrome. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.